Hey, what's up everyone? This is Aris from Team Android, and this year we have is the latest from Huawei, the all-new Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. This is the successor to Huawei's Y9 2019, which was launched late last year. Before we get to the unboxing, let me say this out straight. This phone looks like a complete mid-range killer because of the high-end specs at a very affordable price. Y9 Prime is available in two storage options, 64GB and 128GB. This unit I have is the 128GB variant. Storage should not be an issue as you can add a microSD card up to 1GB on this phone. Other specifications include 4GB RAM, triple camera setup with an ultra-wide camera, a pop-up camera for selfies, 4000 mAh battery, and Android 9 Pie. This makes it the very first phone for Huawei to have a pop-up camera on it. In this video, we are going to do a full unboxing of the Y9 Prime 2019 and check out all the stuff that comes inside the box. We'll also do a quick setup on the device and show you that all the Google apps still work properly on Huawei phones despite the news of a ban that has been going on. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. This is the standard Huawei packaging for almost all their phones. Here you can see this phone has 4GB RAM, 120GB storage, and it's a dual SIM model. So let's take off the wraps now. And here is the phone. This is my very first phone in this color, and wow, I must say, I love it. This phone comes in three different colors, but the one I have is this beautiful green color called as emerald green. There's also blue and black colors available here in this model. And here is the triple camera setup at the back. One of these is an ultra-wide sensor for taking great landscape shots. I'm a big fan of ultra-wide lenses because you can capture so much greater detail in your pictures. So yeah, I'm a big fan of them. Yeah. So the phone comes with a USB Type-C. There's a headphone jack. The speaker grill is at the bottom. The usual power volume buttons. At the top there is this SIM card slot. Here is the pop-up camera, which will open as soon as you turn on the front camera. This is Huawei's very first phone with a pop-up camera and a full screen display with no bezels at all. So there's nothing on the left side. And at the back you can see there's a fingerprint sensor and the camera and the flash. Let's quickly take a look at what else comes inside the box. So we have the EMUI stickers, that's usual. Then there is a protection case. It's a normal TPU case, quick start guide, the SIM ejection pin. Then we have earphones, the standard earphones, a charger, and the USB-C cable. It's a USB A to USB-C cable, and that's pretty much it. Now let's just power up the phone and do a quick first boot up of this Y9 Prime 2019. So here's some feature highlights that you can see on the screen. The display is a 6.59 inches full display. There's a pop-up selfie camera, triple camera setup at the back, 4GB RAM, 120GB, and a 4000 milliamp hours battery. So yeah, let's get to that. Let's start setting it up now. So we'll take off the wraps. Here it is. We'll keep this at the side, and let's boot up the phone. So the phone is powered with EMUI 9, which is their Huawei skin on top of Android 9 Pie. So yeah, let's start with the tour. We'll go with English. Get started. We'll quickly just accept everything. Next, SIM, not at the moment, we'll do it later. Then backups, no, nothing. We'll set it up as a new phone. Wait, I'll just connect it to my Wi-Fi. And we are done. Just quickly go ahead and check for updates. Since this is the very first boot, this phone will check for any software updates or security updates available. And I think none available. Oh, it'll ask for it needs my Google account first. Wait. And we are logged in. Now that we are logged in, let's go ahead and the phone will check for any software updates. And I think there is nothing available yet. Backup. No, don't send any data. Yep, we are good to go. The next step is to set up your Google Assistant. Continue. I think it will already have my voice because I use the same Google account on all my phones. So this should work. And yep, it can already recognize my voice. Perfect. Continue. So next we log in into, I think I'll skip. I'll log in into my Huawei ID later on. You can sync your photos, contacts to the Huawei cloud. You can explore apps in the app gallery, download more themes, or find more music. So we'll just do this later on. I'll skip it later. Skip. Fingerprint ID, I think I'll do the security. I'll take the security features later on. Enable all services later. Update manually later. Huawei gives you tons of options when setting up a new phone. And we are in. This is the very first boot of the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. So so since there has been so much discussion going on online about this recent US ban for Huawei devices, I wanted to take a moment and quickly show you that there's nothing to worry about. You can safely go ahead, buy the latest Huawei phones and start using them just like you would for use any other Android phone. There are no issues with it. The phones work perfectly fine. See, I just logged into my Google account on this phone and there were no issues, no errors or anything. See, my Google Assistant loads up pretty fine, just like it should. Let me just show you the Google Play Store. See, this works just as it should. Let me go ahead and download Instagram. And this will start downloading once it finishes up the initial setup of updating Play Store libraries and other Google services. Similarly, Facebook, it comes preloaded onto Huawei phones. So I'll just quickly show you. The Facebook is already built in inside. I can quickly log into it and the app will work just as it should. Then there is, let me show you. There's this Gmail app. My email is syncing right now, but it should work. Let me quickly show you to you. So see, Gmail works. No issues with it. All my email is in here. See, it works like as if it should. Then let me quickly take you to maybe the YouTube app. I'll update it later, and yep, it works. It still works. No issues with it. Let me just go ahead and play a video for you. See, you can watch YouTube videos just like you used to on any other phone. Everything works. Then maybe let me show you another app. Maybe I'll show you Google Maps. This works. Yep, it works perfectly fine. So yeah, so the purpose of this to show it to you is like there's nothing has been banned yet for any of the Huawei phones. Even if something like that happens, if all your phones, all your apps and services will continue working. Huawei has assured all of us that updates will continue to roll on. Security, all their current and upcoming phones will get the latest security updates from the Android team, and even they've announced that about 20 phones are going to get Android Q. So I think there's nothing to worry about. All your phones are pretty much safe, and nothing is going to stop working on them. So yeah, this is everything from my side. Overall, this phone seems like a great package and a big value for money. To further test it properly, we'll have a few days to use the device and do a full review. Till then, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to press the like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss our future videos. So till then, see you guys later. Bye bye.